my name is Anandavardhan. I am a student of Velamal Bodhi Campus, Kanjipuram, and I am studying in class 8 I-82. Today I am going to show you this password manager which I created for the Braincrypt competition. So the objective of this is to manage passwords, as it suggests in the name, password manager. It has these passwords in an encrypted way, so that's why I created. So this password manager, the tools used in it are Python, Streamlit, cryptography, pandas, and OS. And the structure is, we have a common folder called password manager, and in this we have three files: credentials.xlsx, encrypt.py, and key.key. Well, this credentials.xlsx is used to store the passwords. Encrypt.py, will actually rename it as main.py, but let's just say encrypt.py for now. So this encrypt.py is the main code. It's what does the stuff. It encrypts and it gives the passwords to credentials.xlsx. And this key.key is the fernet key which I used here. So this fernet key is given to encrypt.py as well. This is actually running in Streamlit, which is the user interface, so it has to confirm that it's actually me. So this key.key is used there. So first we have main.py. This is the main code and it has a Streamlit interface. Streamlit is actually an open source Python framework used to deliver interactive data applications with just a few lines of code, and it's a really useful user interface creating tool. So we also use these cryptography libraries, panda libraries, and OS libraries. So cryptography is a Python library used to encrypt data with a key. Panda is a Python library used to analyze and manipulate data. This cryptography is used to encrypt the data. Pandas is used to analyze and manipulate. By that I mean saving it in the XLSX file in the Excel. So this pandas is used to save it in the Excel file, and OS is a Python library used for working on files and folders. So I used this OS operating system to deal with files and folders, which is the framework. And then next we have key.key. Well, this is the key that I used. This key.key is actually a notepad file, so I have it saved and I can copy it and use it whenever I need. And I forgot to tell you something. This key.key, as you see, it is being used in the code, and it's also used as an authentication. So this key is used to encrypt the data, and when we want the decrypted data, it asks us for the key again. It's very useful. And then next we have credentials.xlsx. This is the Excel file. Well, we can specify the app name. Right now I have Gmail, and the encrypted password right here, and the encrypted username. So it stores all of this in here. Next, there's a video which I created. Enough of the talk. Let's get to see the real thing. Password manager, and we open the terminal. We tell Python 3 to open the Streamlit run main.py because we're using the Python interface. Now it opens in Google. It opens. And right now we don't have any applications, so let's say I want to add Gmail. And I will just add a username. Anandavardhan@gmail.com. Since it's Anandavardhan@gmail.com, and let's just use the password Anand@123. We encrypt and save it, and now it has saved the credentials. And let's just see how it's been saved. Let's open Excel, credentials. Well, this credentials is actually here too. Credentials. So it's saved Gmail. It's all been encrypted. So as you see, it's all been encrypted. So now, let's see. So now we want to access it. It's asking us for the fernet decryption key, and the fernet decryption key is right here. Open this key, Control C, Alt Tab, Control V, and it's just because Excel is open, I wanted to show you this. Yeah, so now let's close Excel and just click on Encrypt and it saves. I wanted to show you this. So yeah, credentials from Facebook saved. Let's use Facebook. And there's like, yeah, open folders, key, Control C, Alt Tab, and we give it the key and it decrypts. So now we can just see Gmail 2 decrypt. Yeah, it shows us the decrypted text. So now let's just close this and refresh it and check if it's still there. Refresh everything. Yeah, now let's open the command prompt. Let's just use folders for this. This PC, D drive, password managers, password manager. We open terminal here because we need to have it open in a specific folder. And we open this. main.py, and it's been opened. And now let's just check if everything's still there. Gmail, Facebook is still there. And let's just use our key. Alt key. Control C, Alt Tab. Control V. Decrypt. Let's just check if it's still there. Yeah, it's still there. And for Facebook, let's just decrypt it, check if it's still there. Yeah, it's still there. So we found out how to use it. And that's it. Thank you. Yeah, enough of the talk. Let's get to seeing the. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you the code. So this is the code I created. It's in VS Code. Yeah, I think I just explained it as a big overview. I don't want to go in explaining every single part because that would be very time consuming. See, I have imported Streamlit, which is the user interface, cryptography.fernet as fernet, and pandas as pd, and import os. Yeah, so when I import Streamlit as st, that means I'm importing Streamlit and I'm using the keyword st instead of typing Streamlit every single time. It's like defining a variable, and I'm defining the variable pandas as pd. Defining, it's kind of like that. So Streamlit, for Streamlit we can just type st. For pandas we can just type pd. I've used it here as you see. st and pd. Yeah, so thank you. Bye. Yeah, so I just wanted to show. Thank you.